I am not bragging, but there are people who look at me and wish that they were me. That's not very good.
No, not very good at all.
I am not bragging, but there are people who... I need to stop looking at that part. All right. Look here at the HP is the center, yes?
Yeah, I think so.
I am not bragging, but there are people who look at me. I can't do it. I am not
Wait,
bragging.
wait.
You do it for me.
You get up.
Here's my friend Ivan. Ivan, come.
Hello, James. How are you today?
I am not bragging.
Good.
But there are people.
Listen, James, I am not bragging, but there are people who look at me and wish that they were me.
I am not bragging either, but I have a better Russian accent than this guy. До свидания.
Good. Yes.
Да-да.
My name is Sven.
Нет.
I'm from the other places.
Хорошо.
Where? I don't know where I am from.
I-
I think in America you call it Norway.
I live in Kryvyi Rog, Ukraine, near the Black Sea. How about you?
I think I live in Oslo.
You liar.
It's near Norway.
From
Actually, it's in Norway. Holy cow, I'm butchering this.
we are former famous Olympic athletes from the former East Germany.
East Germany,
East
yes.
Germany.
And we used to be the guys that Dana Carvey, he make a fun
Yeah,
of
yeah.
and say, we are here to pump.
Da
You,
da, da da, da da.
He's,
No more needles for us though, because our athletic careers have concluded.
that is true, yes.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes.
Mine concluded with a loss to a woman named, what was her name? Svitlanka from Russia. And it was very sad. She beat me. She beat me severely.
She beat you on your head.
I'm not talking about on the weightlifting circuit.
Da-
No,
da.
I'm talking she take a pound of weight and she throw it at my head repeatedly.
What a
And I
country.
get hurt.
Da.
And
Da
then
da.
ever since then, I talk like this.
Yes.
And I don't know why.
I am not bragging, but there
There
are
are
two people.
Who look at me,
Me and wish that-
wish that they were me.
Da da.
Da da.
Bye bye now.
Bye-bye now.
Hope you up.
You got it.